So this is another quick review slash unboxing of these shoes. Could not find anything online on YouTube. The good review for these. These are Timberland Pro Drivetrain slip-on with composite safety toe. That's what they are. These guys do have ESR, so I don't know what the ESR code is. Let me have a look here. Yeah, so it's 18 kV and puncture resistant, metal free, so these are composites. So 18 kV, you should be okay. These are ordered online, so we'll see how this works. Usual nonsense. Ooh, nice. Okay, so they come with the insole, and these are pure black, so they do come with an insole. That's the insole. Have a look here. They're jet black and they actually look pretty formal, so you can wear these as, they've got the 18 kV, this thing. You can wear these as regular shoes. Let me try these on. They're a little stiffer than normal slip-ons. Yeah, but these are extremely comfortable. So yeah, you can compare these to yacht shoes, which I use on the boat. You can see these are wider than the yacht shoes, so they fit perfectly. The yacht shoes also fit really great because these are slip-ons, yacht shoes, waterproof, non-marking soles, etc., etc. These guys, let me see if these guys will mark. No, they will not mark. Okay, so pretty good. A little bit heavier than the yacht shoes, and which is expected because it's got a steel safety toe. Pretty solid. Yeah, you can feel the steel safety, the composite safety toe. You can see it goes up to here, basically, right on the. So this is where it ends. This is how much is protected, basically. So your toes, it won't go more than that. Yeah, these are pretty comfortable. They will allow me to walk freely. A little bit noisier than the yacht shoes, but that's kind of expected. Yeah, so overall I like them. They're a good fit, perfect size. If you crush the things, yeah, no feedback at all. I can crush the box without any problems. Normally you get a little, with the yacht shoes I could get a little feedback, so yeah, these are pretty solid. You can't feel that you're crushing anything. You're pretty much walking over everything, so yeah. So these are yeah, so would I recommend these? Absolutely. These are probably the most comfortable ESR plus puncture resistant plus safety toed shoes I've seen, and the 18 kV voltage resistant as well. Plus they're not magnetizable, they're all composites. So yeah, pretty good. Definitely recommend it. It's got the green label as well. Plus it's got the ESR label, plus it's got anti-fatigue. Yeah, so pretty good. Definitely recommend it. Timberland Pro Drivetrain slip-ons, composite safety toe shoes.